Hi, my name is Miguel Cabaluna Caballero. My nickname is Torres. And I'm from New Panay, Alyasan, Cotabato. And for what I observe here, the kind of people is very approachable and kind and also helpful. For the culture and environment here at Alyasan, it is the Kasadyahan Festival. It is held once a year. It have parade and drum and lyre. My mother's name is Marisa Cabaluna Caballero and my father's name is Idmar Kia Caballero, and I have two beautiful older sisters. Their name is Angel and Joy May. And my mother's work is a secretary of a doctor, and my father's work is a farmer. And I think our standard of living is middle class because the income of my parents is just enough for. I graduated at Tubac National High School, and for me, if I describe Tubac National High School, it is a beautiful school because the teacher there is kind, beautiful, and good at teaching. Then the student is just helpful and mga mababait. My course is hospitality management, and I choose this course because it is related to my strand at senior high school. My strand is home economic, and my expectation in this course was more on cooking and more on business.
Pagsasaka at agrikultura, kami lubos na nagpapasalamat sa lupaing biyayan ng may kapal. Sa saganang ani kami nabubuhay. Dito sa bayan ng Alyasan, lahat pantay-pantay. Kabataan, kababaihan, maging sino ka man. Lahat may oportunidad, lahat kinikilala. Kami Alyasanon sa gawa, puso at diwa. Dayon mga abayan, dayon sa amon pamo. Lakat kamo, upod kita nga magsagya. Dali nga kamo, kabidya magkarado. Pagkaon naman namin, ipahambong pa uli. See the wonders of the nature, our culture's colorful. They got the food, we come meet a lot of people. Behold the hills and mountains, the rich green sceneries. Experience Kasadyahan, amazing Alyasan.
Alyasan ang aming bayan. Alyasan ang aming bayan. Alyasan ang aming bayan. Alyasan
abiyan, dayon sa among banwa. Lakap ka mo, upod kita nga magsadya. Dayon mga abiyan, dayon sa among banwa. Experience ka sa dayaan, sa banwa sang Alyosa.
See the wonders of the nature, our culture's colorful.
Taste our food,
Come meet all loving people. Behold the hills and mountains, the rich green sceneries. Experience kasadyahan, amazing Alyosan. Amazing Alyosan. Amazing Alyosan.
from one small town, we shouted out, we're true Alyosanon, brave and proud.
History proves we're growing, soaring, the birth, the united and strong, that's what we are.
Upod kita nga magsadya, dayon mga abiyan, dayon sa amon banwa. Experience ka sa dayaan, sa banwa sang Alyosa.
See the wonders of the nature, our culture's colorful.
Taste our food,
Come meet all loving people. Behold the hills and mountains, the rich green sceneries. Experience kasadyahan, amazing Alyosan. Amazing Alyosan. Amazing Alyosan.
Alyasan, a community in North Cotabato, Philippines, is recognized for its peaceful countryside and traditional Filipino culture. The Panay River is a famous tourist destination with outdoor activities and gorgeous vistas. The Aglipay Church, a historic and religion, local markets and festivals highlight local crafts, cuisines, and hospitality. Alyosan provides a calm respite for visitors looking for less traveled areas.